I would like to show you that, in my opinion, might be the very best, easiest, simplest and fastest way to find industry standard codes from various well-known and used standards. For example, UNSPSC, NAICS, but also HTS, which is heavily used in the United States. And let me show you how we can simply, quickly find HTS code by inputting any description, long, short, whatever it is, and you will get the most relevant HTS code. For example, we have smartphone as a quick example, and it shows us a lot of categories, a lot of very detailed, because smartphone can go into, I guess, most of these, but the most relevant, it shows 91%, is this one. I am not gonna read this. I want to show you the different example. So HTS is mostly used for classifying goods, products. And so let's try something specific. For example, I have in mind barbershop scissors, professional scissors used by barbers. Okay, scissors valued toward blah blah blah. Scissors, tailor scissors, shears. Okay, so a lot of, well, not a lot of actual scissors, but you can see this is the most relevant, and there is a steep drop off in relevancy. So out of thousands of HTS codes, Harmonized Tariff Schedule codes, there is just a few that are applicable to scissors, and it's up to you to make a decision as to which one to use. But still, this is much more easier than than to search through the whole HTS by yourself. For example, we can click each one of these as a link. You can copy just like that, and of course you can copy and paste whatever you need, and you of course go through the link, and we land on the government website, where there is a big list of all the codes, and here is the one we clicked on, all about scissors, less than 17 centimeters. Yep, and also rates of duty, dates. This is hts.usitc.gov. If you work with HTS, you're probably familiar with this, more familiar than me. But yeah, that is how it works. Maybe one more example I have is less specific, but still dog. Color, I don't know, maybe there is not many colors. Saddle and harness. Okay. Yep. Dog, let me Control F, dog. Control F, colors. Yeah, as you can see, dog color, that's only here, and well, it makes sense. Relevancy 85%. Again, very steep drop off. As you can see, articles of appeal, this is already irrelevant. Saddlery harness for, I guess this is for other animals, and this is specifically for dog. So yeah, as you can see, just fraction of a second, and we get the most relevant code out of thousands that there are in HTS, and this is a dog color. Beautiful. So yeah, that is how it works. Classifast.com, the tool I've built, again works with HTS, works with many others, but this is a video just for HTS. Link in the description, and yeah, thank you for your time. I hope it will be useful for you.